Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In this video, we are guiding you through how to cancel your ASB credit card. To cancel your ASB credit card, you can either call the ASB contact center or visit your nearest ASB branch. In this video, we are going to show you how you can find your ASB contact number. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. Open up a web browser to get started. Go to the URL box and type in asb.co.nz and search. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official website, from where you'll simply need to scroll down and click on the Support Hub link. This will then open up the support page, from where you can find the support type you need help with. In order to find the contact number, you can go ahead and scroll down and you will be able to see a mobile phone number displayed on the screen. Simply go ahead and make a call on that particular number and mention that you would like to cancel your credit card. Keep in mind that canceling your credit card is different from closing your credit card account entirely. Simply go ahead and talk to the customer support representative on the other end, and they will guide you through the process and you will be able to cancel your credit card. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.